When it's time to change the waste bag, select the Tools menu. Then select Waste Bag. This window shows you information about the waste bag, including the percentage level of how much waste is within the current bag. There's also an option here to replace waste bag, and you must select this once you've changed the bag, or the printer won't know that it's been done. If you do select this option and you haven't changed the waste bag, the waste will continue to pour into the bag. It will eventually overflow and it will cause significant problem inside the engine. To change the waste bag, you need to ensure that you have 2 gloves on. Push the drawer open. The waste bag is located here at the back of the printer. To change the bag, you can lift it up from the sides here, just lifting out the black plastic box, and pull the bag up from the sides, releasing it on the left and the right hand side. There is a drawstring here on both sides of the bag. Just pull that drawstring to seal up the bag and tie that bag off, and then place that bag in your chemical waste bin. This waste is waste from both the support and the build bottles. You should have some spare new bags. If you don't, you can order them through the consumables department. Pop that bag into the plastic tub, making sure that you lift it slightly out and wrap the bag around the handles like so. Then slide that back into the holder.